Hey, welcome back. In the last video, we talked about Mode 5 and how it checks oxygen sensors on older vehicles using the non-CAN protocol. But what if you're working with newer vehicles that use the CAN protocol, or you're looking for more detailed diagnostic data? That's exactly where Mode 6 comes in. It's widely used in vehicles manufactured after 2008, providing much more detailed insight, helping you detect problems early before they become serious. So, what is Mode 6? As an upgraded diagnostic mode, Mode 6 allows access to the results of onboard monitoring tests that your vehicle performs automatically while driving. It gives you a behind-the-scenes look at the status of emission, related systems, including the catalytic converter, the evaporative emission control system, misfire detection, the exhaust gas recirculation valve, and yes, the oxygen sensors as well. How does Mode 6 actually work? The ECU, Engine Control Unit, identifies which system monitors are supported and runs multiple diagnostic tests under specific driving conditions. These tests are processed in the background and the results are stored in memory, ready to be retrieved later. Mode 6 displays data in hexadecimal hex format. To view this data, you'll need a diagnostic tool that can accurately read and convert it into human-readable values. Once connected, it helps you detect systems that may be underperforming, showing signs of early failure, or requiring further inspection, even if the check engine light hasn't turned on yet. All right, so what does that Mode 06 data actually look like on your screen? Let's break it down 6 key values you'll see. Sensor ID indicates which system is being tested. Test ID, or component ID, shows the specific test being run on that sensor. These test IDs can vary and depend on each manufacturer. Test value, the actual value recorded by the ECU during the test. Minimum and maximum values. Define the normal range for the test. If the test value falls outside this range, it could indicate a problem with the sensor. Mode 6, status, provides the status of the test for the component ID, offering more descriptive and complete information, making it easier to read and interpret, especially for less experienced users. The new status feature adds clarity by telling you the current state of each test. Incomplete or okay, the test has already performed and the results are reliable. Incomplete, the test hasn't run yet, possibly because the right conditions haven't been met. Not supported, your vehicle doesn't support that particular test. This feature helps you quickly determine which results you can trust and which tests still require more driving or time to complete properly. For clarity, here's an example of the type of data shown in Mode 6. You're looking at a catalyst test with the sensor ID labeled Catalyst Monitor Bank 1. The test ID is 81, which tells us this is a manufacturer-defined test. Now, the actual value is 203%, which falls right between the minimum of 100% and the maximum of 500%. That means the catalyst system on Bank 1 has passed the test and is functioning properly. The status is marked OK. However, if the same test shows incomplete, it just means the ECU hasn't finished checking yet. You may need to drive a bit more under the right conditions for the test to complete. And that's a wrap on Mode 6, a powerful tool that takes your diagnostics to the next level. If you're starting to explore serious diagnostics, this is where things get exciting. Thanks for watching. See you next time.